A girl's work is never done. You boys think we are having fun, mopping and sweeping up the floor. Uh-oh, the salesman's at the door. Never done, never done. A girl's work is never done. Wash up the windows and the blinds. Oh, heck, the rain, a waste of time. And now the kids are home from school. They're tracking mud from room to room. You think it's fun? It's never done. A girl's work is never done. And now my father's home from work with 1,500 dirty shirts. You'd think he'd help me clean the house. He says he's tired and knocked out.
Yeah, man, I'm beat.
While I cook, he reads a book. A girl's work is never done. My baby brother's now in bed. Lullaby and